protein you eat, the more it helps not just with like your physical health, but your brain fog, which I feel like makes a huge difference.
That's great. But dude, this is so much chicken. I don't think I've ever seen you eat this much meat. Are you sure you're gonna be able to get through all of this?
Yes, I have a plan. See, I made the list, and now I'm gonna meal prep.
Oh.
So we don't have to get takeout every night. It's just ready for me.
And so much kale. You know we throw out a bag like every other week.
No,
we could.
That isn't true.
We could just cut out the middleman. Buy the kale and throw it directly in the trash can.
I made a list. Kale is on the list.
It is on the list.
How was your day off?
Oh my God, I have to tell you. So, I'm going to Denver this weekend. Like, I'm leaving tomorrow. It's last minute, I know, but I probably won't make it to my Sunday shift. I already reached out to Aiden to cover, but he's not sure, so just wanted to let you know.
Okay, well...
Yeah, it's totally spontaneous, but my friend Priya lives there, and the heroines are playing at the Fillmore, so I'm just going. I bought the flight this morning.
Megan is already out of town.
I know, it's just... I'm gonna do it. I really need to get away. Life has been so intense
Okay,
lately.
well maybe just text Aiden again. You can also reach out to Sarah. Maybe she can do a double.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Just put it in the group chat. Have you finished up with side work? It looked like the bathroom still needed to be done.
Oh, I usually just wait for the closer to do that. It's so gross, and they have a lot more time.
Okay, well, we have some time now, so maybe you could get that done.
I'll sweep now, and they'll have more time to do it later.
Josè.
I'll just do this first.
No.
Oh, hold on. One sec. Okay. Hey, what's up? She just didn't show up? No, she told me that she was going to come straight from the airport because she didn't get someone to cover. Okay, can you please just stay there for like 10 minutes? I'm coming, I know. Please, okay, thank you. All right, I will be there soon. Thank you so much. All right, bye. Shit.
What happened?
Josè just didn't show up. And she didn't text or call earlier, so I assumed everything was fine, but now I just have to go in.
Oh no, can't you just call someone else?
Sarah is already there on a double. She has to get to her class. I have to go, I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, your phone.
I swear to God, it's just sitting there on her shoulder, a bird with a leash on. So weird.
No, that's so gross.
And then they take the drinks, they go outside. Mm-hmm. And a few minutes later, she comes back in. And she's like, Larry, that's the bird's name, knocked over my coffee. Can I get another one? And I'm like, oh no, of course.
Hey, that clumsy bastard.
I was like, that'll be $5.75. And she looks at me all confused.
Oh no.
She just stares at me and finally goes, can I speak to a manager? Oh. And then I had to do the bitchy thing of, Actually, I'm the owner.
I love it.
I'm dying because I'm picturing her like chastising the bird. Like, you have to pay for that, right?
So chaotic.
How was it last night? Oh, it was good. We went to Bertrand Fourth. Have you been there?
I don't think so.
I think he's gonna propose soon.
What?
I think he is. He was getting so flustered all night, and I could feel myself like getting, I don't know, out of breath. And I was like, oh my God, is this happening?
I didn't realize you guys were there yet.
Hayden is. I've also been hanging out with his mom a lot lately, which I think makes him happy. I think he sees it all coming together.
Do you want him to propose?
Yeah. No, I don't know. I mean, I feel like we are going to be together, so it's fine. I guess, I don't know. I guess I just don't want the next big step. And it's stupid. I feel like, I don't know. I mean, I'm not afraid of the idea of it or whatever. I'm not afraid of commitment because we're already doing that. I think it's like some real legal thing.
I mean, you guys have been together forever, so it's not like you have to do anything.
What are you saying?
I'm just saying that you don't have to get married to be together.
Yeah, true.
That is true. It is. And I get it, but also taking a step in the relationship is a meaningful thing. An exciting thing. If that's what you guys want to do.
I think that's what it is. I do think I'm ready for the next step.
Well, cheers to the happy couple, married or not.
Cheers, whatever.
Katie, Michael, hi. Come in. I'm so glad you guys are here. Come in. Carrie, Auntie D. Everyone's setting stuff up out back. Talk to Carrie, your mom, about what to do because I don't want to get in trouble. How are you? I'm good. These boys are the death of me. Jackson, make a better choice.
Where can we put a gift?
I think everyone's just putting stuff by the fireplace. Jackson! These fucking kids.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, it's so good to see you. And it's lovely to see you. Michael, you look so sharp.
Thank you. The house is beautiful.
Oh, well, you know how Carrie is. We've been up since 8 o'clock doing stuff I told her to sit the hell down and let the non-pregnant people do some
She never stops.
things.
If I sat down every time she told me to, nothing would get done. Dad didn't even come down till 12.
Oh, you can't count on him for anything. I asked him to hang a new curtain rod for me.
Hi.
God, you're big.
I feel big.
Yeah, girl, take up space.
I did not ask her to start at 8.
Wow. I mean, the house looks beautiful. You have such good taste.
Hi, little bird. Carrie, this is so good to see.
Thank you. We're putting presents on the hearth for now.
Hey, how about them birds?
Did you see Saquon's backward?
Yes.
You look so thin.
Mom?
I mean, I don't know about that.
You always had a good metabolism, but I just thought working at a diner. I remember the year I was a waitress, I gained 20 pounds, all French fries.
I mean, it's a cafe, so it's mostly just coffee and pastries, a couple sandwiches.
You can get fat off sandwiches.
That's true.
How has it been since Rory left?
Fine. I mean, it's been a transition, but I think it's going smoothly.
I was so sad to hear about that. She's just always been around. I couldn't believe it. Why would you move to New York? So far from family, twice as expensive, and the weather is terrible.
Well, I thought when the two of you started Freebird, she was settling in. It seems crazy.
Well, she seems to like it there. Lord knows why. Keep seeing her Instagram, and she always looks so happy.
Good change of pace for her, following her dreams and such.
I mean, you can be a social media manager anywhere. But I am glad for her.
I love that you two did that. I always imagined you taking over the world together. Like those little lemonade stands and the pet portraits you did back then. She loves you. You know that.
I do.
When he's back, just bam.
It's beautiful.
Unbelievable.
Beautiful to see.
We have a couple of names picked out,
Sometimes he lives up
but we're not sharing. Mostly family names.
He hurts.
I'm hoping it's a girl, so that we don't have to name the baby after Dad. Paul Rupert II.
What's wrong with Paul Rupert?
It's a little stuffy.
No, stuffy. Come on.
Is it stuffy? You think that's more prestigious?
Paul, prestigious. That's the word.
Demands respect.
Our possible son's name.
So, how's the new house?
Oh, it's good. You know, I love having more space to take care of. It's, Jackson and Lucas both have their own rooms now, and we have that guest room, which is a huge bonus, especially because my parents never want to visit. Now they have no excuse. Aha! But really, they always complain about not having a place to stay, or that hotels are too expensive, yada yada bullshit, and now I have them right where I want them.
Can't escape you now.
No, I love it. I do hope they come to visit, though. I mean, it's just the kids, they change so much so fast, and I'm worried they're...
Yeah, I've been thinking about that with Carrie, and we're only an hour apart. Like, I could visit more. I don't know if I will.
You won't. And that'll be okay. She doesn't hold grudges like I do.
One second.
Hey, Aiden. There should be some in the supply closet. Shelf on the right, yeah. Okay, well, I just ordered more this week, so they should be there. Did you look by the sink? Okay, good. Great, yeah. Okay. All right, bye. Bye.
Always something with the cafe, huh?
Oh, here we go. Okay.
Come on, Paul. It's cold.
Snow?
Seasoning. It's a cold seasoning.
Are you even speaking English, Paul?
Oh, you are useless. Michael, it's cold seasoning. It's cold water seasoning. Salt. Seasoning. Cold water seasoning.
Oh, like the crystal light drops, like free water.
Stop guessing, Donna. Michael!
Time's up.
Oh, damn it, woman!
Don't start with me, Paul.
What the hell's an ice spice?
I got
That's
it.
not a season? That's a silly.
We survived.
Yeah. It's not like this is. Where did the kids go? Not at all.
They're quiet. We should have a baby. They're a little too.
We should.
Yeah.
I love Michael.
I do too.
Yeah. He suits you. Do you like Brandon?
I do. I like him now more than before. No, seriously, I didn't like him at first because we're so different, but now I do. He's a great guy. He fits in with us.
Yeah, I think he does.
He'll be a great dad.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, God, so judgy.
Not judgy. I don't know.
You don't have to worry or change your life just because things here are changing. I know you're not sure of everything with the cafe, Rory leaving.
The cafe is fine.
I know it is. You're so good at figuring that stuff out. I'm proud of how you've handled it. You've been so gracious to her.
Yeah. I mean, it sucked. She got to go off and just have this great adventure, and I got stuck with it. And Carrie, it is a money pit, truly.
Have you told her that?
To be honest, I don't want to. I wanted to do better than her. It's so stupid. With childhood friends, you just think they're gonna be there forever. And now everything is so different.
Yeah.
She was my person for so long. And it wasn't even like she had something she had to go do. She just wanted a change. And then she dumped Hebert on me, and we started it together.
That is so shitty.
Really shitty.
Dude. All right, now this is the stuff right here.
Nice.
This is what I came in.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
What's
That's
the
what I'm
tits?
saying.
Do you see the tits?
Damn.
Tell me
Yeah,
these
yeah.
are not the
No,
best tits.
they're
you've
pretty
ever-
good.
Have you ever seen better tits?
They're literally perfect tits.
Kate loves good tits.
All right. Shut up.
All right.
Nobody cares.
I think they're cleaning up in there.
Yeah, we'll be in.
Well, you just sit there all night.
Tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Stuff your face. Oh, God. Thank you. You just... No more popcorn.
Thank you so much. Well, bye, Michael. Good to see you. Hey, congratulations.
Thanks.
Bye, sweetheart. Love you.
Goodbye. Tell the boys I say goodnight. Of course. We're in the car already. iPad's at about 10%, so pray for me. Bye.
Michael,
I'll see
see
you
ya.
soon. Yes.
Well,
Okay. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
I love you. Love you.
Take it easy.